Shandong Uber CNC Machinery Company. We are CNC manufacturer in Jinan City, China. This is one set double working table station aTC machine with double saws. It has a linear tools magazines with 12 PCS tools, and the one bigger saw and one smaller saw. It adopt thickness gantry with 8mm and Taiwan Highwind square guide rail on it. Strong plastic chain in the chain slot. One-piece tools holder installed under the right of the gantry, so it can help tighten the handle to the tool or loosen it easily. This is powerful servo motor with brake and Japan Shimpo reducer on Z-axis. Vacuum table switch with vacuum table pressure gauge. Pressure can be easily viewed. High precision helical rack and pinion. Side-mounted Highwind square guide rail. Look at the behind of the table. Have the wheels for help uploading easily. Y-axis plastic chain with high quality even in very fast speed still in well situation. Automatically oiling system installee on the behind of the gantry. Can oiling guide rail, rack pinion and ball screw in automatically. The electrical components in the control cabinet are neatly installed and do not interfere with each other. Thanks for watching Uber CNC. Looking forward all over the world agents. Waiting your coming and join us.